All right, what's going on today, guys? We back with another video, another close, another 2K coaching package. And this one's going to be a lot shorter because this is an easy one that closed, but I want to really talk about one key point because this is kind of like what you should look out for when you think it's too easy, okay? So guy messaged me mentor, okay? I told him the whole ordeal again. He says, awesome, I appreciate it if we would help a lot. I won't get paid. I won't get paid until next week. Do you need more info first about my business or current service? It is factually a new offer launched in January, blah, blah, blah. I said, you in? He said, yep. Okay. I said, awesome. Which is weird because he was talking about getting paid next week, but I'll see what. Okay. So I say, I'll send you my calendar. Okay. Awesome. See, the crazy part is that you guys all might be sitting there going, wait a minute, there's something missing because he said that he doesn't get paid till next week. And I completely ignored it because when you ignore it, the confidence flows to the prospect. So sometimes ignoring their objection is actually important because when you ignore it, they're like, he doesn't seem to give a fuck. Like, why does he not care? He must really get so many DMs that he just completely missed that. And then they respect you because they're like, damn. Like he really is that busy that he doesn't give a fuck that I don't get paid till next week. And then they get past the objections. I said, yes, sir. You know, Slack, he gets in and, you know, like we've just been communicating stuff. But the whole premise of this quick close that I wanted to really talk about was sometimes the closes are that easy. And this is like a limiting belief thing is that you really don't think sometimes that you deserve to make money or you think that closes are hard or whatever bullshit you think it is. Sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes closes are actually very simple, easy. It just takes you the right angle and you have to see the prospects from their voice, the way they talk to you, the way they message you, the response times, etc. So it's like, it just really depends on where you're coming from. I think that a lot of people need to be told no. A lot of people need to be told like, hey, here's the next steps. And then sending that voice message always helps because they want to hear your voice. They want to see it as a person, not some AI bot, some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? So they want to be able to see that. So just want to give you some quick clarity on that quick close. I feel like this will help a lot of people, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.